good morning, student. How are you? Yes, I am also fine. Thank you. Now we are start our class. Please sit attentively. We are started our now I am starting class 6 subject English first part. Now I will ask you some short question, like, can you ever seen some usually familiar birds? I think you see different kinds of birds, but I want to say about a particular bird, such kinds of bird which is looking yellow in color. I think you are think about it. The bird, there are many different kinds of bird around us, and there are many different kinds of birds around us, such as crow, sparrow, parrot, pigeon, and so on. Can you guess what is our today's lesson? Yes, thank you. I think you can guess. Our today's lesson is Birds of Bangladesh. Now I write the topic on the blackboard. Okay, thank you. Now students, you are everyone take your EFT book on your hand. Take your EFT book at page 40. Please take it, page 40. Here we can see a picture of a bird and the description of a particular bird. About the particular bird, now I like to say about some description about this bird. In your EFT book at page 40, you can see a bird, and please read out the description of the passage about the bird. I think you read it. Okay. There is a description of a bird. It is a bird of Bangladesh. It lives in a plain land of Bangladesh. Its body structure is deep yellow, but some parts of its body, like its throat, its leg, and its some parts of its body is black, but its beak is yellow. Its beak is red. Can you ever seen this kinds of bird? I think you can somewhere you can see these kinds of bird. Its name is black-headed oriole in English, but its name is benebow in Bangla. This kinds of bird is familiar to us about benebow or black-headed oriole. Now, dear students, please take your take your book and read about the description of this bird thoroughly. Now open the book. Now open at page 41. Here in section A1, you can find some. You can find some vocabulary about this passage. Please try to find out the meaning of the vocabs. Here, geographical, or this word is sprightly. Can you guess the meaning of geographical and the meaning of sprightly? I think you can. Geographical means, or the similar meaning of geographical is a particular part of our total land area. A particular part of our total land area are. Here sprightly. Sprightly means restlessly. Here the sprightly. The bird black-headed oriole is very. The nature of black-headed oriole is sprightly. So here we can use sprightly. Okay. Thank you. Now I will give you 2 short question and you will try to find out the answer and write it on your notebook. Question 1. Write the description of the bird. Number 2. Which area can be founded this bird? Now dear student, you can try find out these questions answer and write it on your notebook. Okay, thank you. Now I want to give you a homework, a short homework. Write a paragraph about a bird, tia. Please write down this homework on your notebook and you try to make a paragraph about tia on your notebook. Okay, students, thank you.